1 long video, 10 viral shorts, 0 manual editing. This isn't just a tool, it's a content factory. And I'm going to show you exactly how the Opus Clip's blueprint works in under 3 minutes. Manual clipping is a vibe killer. You spend hours digging through a podcast just to find a couple of good moments. That's not scalable. That's burnout. If you actually want to grow, you need volume. And volume only comes from speed. So instead of working harder, you switch the system. Before I break this down, if you want to test this exact workflow yourself, the tool is linked below. You can literally run your last video through it while watching this. Step 1. Ingest. You drop your long-form video link in, YouTube, podcast, whatever. Opus pulls the entire file instantly. Step 2. The scan. This is where it gets interesting. The AI doesn't just detect silence. It scores every second for virality potential. It looks at hook strength, keyword spikes, facial expressions, and engagement patterns. If it's boring, it gets cut. If it hits, it gets ranked. Step 3. Clip generation. Now it automatically pulls the best moments and turns them into shorts. Not randomly, strategically. You get multiple clips, all based on what the algorithm predicts will perform. No guessing, no rewatching, no burnout. Step 4. Auto-reframe. The AI becomes your camera operator. It tracks faces, crops to vertical, adds dynamic captions, and edits based on the energy of the content. It literally edits like a viral creator. Within about 10 minutes, your dashboard is full of ready-to-post clips. Not 1, not 2, a full batch, ranked, optimized, and ready to go. This is perfect for creators sitting on long videos, founders building a personal brand, and marketers trying to scale content without hiring editors. If you've got long-form content, you're sitting on opportunity. You just need to extract it. There is a free plan to get started, but the real power is in the Pro plan, around $29 a month. That unlocks AI B-roll, brand kits, and more control over your clips. If your time is worth anything, this pays for itself almost immediately. If you're serious about scaling your content, go to the link in the description, drop in your latest video, and let it generate your first batch. You'll see the difference straight away. This isn't just editing, this is content at scale. And right now, speed wins.